Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet, winter drives me wild.
What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to the beach. So excited. We're going to Spring Lake in Jersey. I've never been there, but I've heard really good things and
it is beautiful.
I'm so excited.
Bougie.
I need to go to the beach so bad. I need to swim. I really hope that there aren't sharks because that's been like an issue.
There's been hella sharks.
So I'm gonna try my best to be a fishy without being eaten by a shark.
I'm scared.
But I really need that for my mental health. We are en route. I got a Starbucks and I'm so happy. I haven't even had a sip of my coffee yet, but I'm gonna need this so badly. I woke up at the ass crack of dawn.
Rachel.
So that's that. Oh,
I know, this is hitting.
they did it so good today. I think this is literally like 6th day hair, so I just had to put it in a braid. Thanks! I had to put it in braids because it's so greasy, but I knew I was gonna get in the water, so like I didn't want to wash last night, so what the f would be the point of washing a whole...
They did that.
That's a workout.
It is a perfect day.
It's gonna be amazing. We got up early. It's not even 9 a.m. yet.
That's actually
and we're on the road.
Absurd. I
think
that.
We're doing an amazing job.
So
Everyone,
proud.
please tell us you're proud of us in the comments.
Thank you.
You don't have to, but
You do.
I would appreciate it if you felt compelled to open your heart to us in that way.
No, sweet.
Anyway, welcome to the vlog. Today's gonna be a very, I feel like, East Coast summer day.
Hell
Something
yeah.
about East Coast summer, bro. Hell yeah. Something about East Coast summer is what does it for me. Let's go. The phone did not eat first.
It did not. We were so excited.
That's so wholesome. We were having like a conversation and we just didn't film. Isn't that crazy? Lighting is really bright. This is horrible. This is the cutest little town I've ever seen. We got books. I love bookstores. That was such a nice, cute bookstore. It just smelled like fresh book pages. I don't know how else to explain it. Nothing is better than a hard copy of a book. Like,
that is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
that was so cute. I just had to stop this right here. Okay, continue. Got paper that you can flip through and hold and smell.
Sweet, the book's so pretty.
That's one I read on my Kindle, so I don't even have like, look at how pretty she is.
She's stunning.
She would be stunning on like a shelf too. Like
She's going on.
it. Hey. I fell asleep. I had to take my contacts.
I haven't stayed on the beach in this long. I feel like in a long.
When I fall asleep, my contacts, they feel like they're super glued to my eyeballs. So I brought extra contacts, but I don't really feel like putting them in at this point. But I don't even know what I can see in this. We're going to dinner. JK, they don't have any tables until 8:30 or something. I was about to make a reservation earlier, like 2 hours ago, and they had everything was available.
I'm just gonna say there were a lot of open tables and they said that they cannot seat us. I think it's because we're ugly. I think they said they look a little rough and this place is too nice for you. Please get out.
I'm just so hungry and thirsty, and I'm probably
about to go to a drive-thru.
I think I'm gonna start crying.
I'm about to go to a drive-thru.
So new plan is we're gonna go get ice cream right now first before dinner. We're gonna have dessert before dinner because there are no rules, and we are really thirsty and we think ice cream is the answer, and then we can just get then we're gonna find a dinner place that hopefully has a table before 8:30 on a Wednesday.
They are lying. I know she was lying straight to our face. There were so many empty tables. She was so lying.
Like, did we just not, was there a dress code we didn't know about?
Yeah, I think maybe our toes were out.
Oh my gosh.
She saw our toes and took it out.
I got cookie dough.
I
She
got
got
vanilla.
vanilla soft serve. I am so happy right now. I changed again, first of all, into a comfy shirt. We ate our ice cream. It was phenomenal, amazing. We feel revived. We're both on our second water bottle. I chugged 3/4 of this before I even paid for it. Now we are on the way to hopefully a spot that will have somewhere that we can sit and consume food. I'm praying, I really am. I will keep you updated on if we are able to eat anything.
We totally will.
If we're even permitted to do so.
5 minutes away this next restaurant is, and like everything's like so cute and pretty. It's like out of a movie. Like,
yeah,
I could literally write a book based out of this town and then film a movie here and it would be perfect.
I read books like beach town setting books. It gives
like
me this vibe, yeah.
For sure.
At the stop sign, turn right onto NJ71.
Alright, cheers, bye. Yes. All right. I got a crab cake sandwich. I love that they put pickles on the side. I could have taken like 17 of these.
I know.
We got fries. These are like the good beer battered fries too. I'm excited. And then what did you get?
Grilled chicken sandwich?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that like right when you took a bite. I'm so excited.
Yep.
Okay, so this next part, we decided to have a bit of a carpool karaoke session. I actually don't know if it was as much we decided as I put on Taylor Swift, and when you put on Taylor Swift, that's just what happens. But I wanted to preface this next section with a few notes. Number one, this is very dramatic. Please do not judge. In our defense, this is what happens when you blast Taylor Swift in the car. I don't know, there's like not really another way to go about it than to just scream sing. That leads me to note number two. If you are a headphone user, I would suggest maybe turning this next part down several, maybe notches. I'm trying to edit it so that it's not like anything crazy, but just wanted to put that warning out there so no one's shocked. Third, throughout this song, this is one song. Throughout this song, the directions on Apple Maps kept interjecting at the best parts of the song, so you will see our dramatic reactions to that. But all in all, we're excited to have you join us on this carpool karaoke session. Viewer discretion is advised. Drama, silliness, yelling, fun, all of it. Let's get into it. And back to the video.
You can't believe a word she says most times. I look so crusty.
Go past this line.
Are you kidding? No, I'm going back to that damn part.
The rumors from...
Oh my god!
No, I'm trying to get off, yeah.
We need him to show his mouth.
It was true. He's ruining.
Part of my screen's broken.
No! But if I just showed up at your party, would you tell me to go
Fuck myself!
Would you trust me if I told you it was just a summer thing? I don't know anything, but I know I miss you. This song elicits like screaming from me for some reason. But if I just showed up at your party, would you have me? Tell me to go fuck myself or leave me to the go. She said, James, get in. I dreamt of you all summer long. I wanna do is make it up to you. Showed up at your party.
In 2 miles, take exit 30.
really getting
In 2 miles. Like, I don't care what's happening in 2 miles.
I don't even need you to tell me because I can say it.
I'm only 17. I don't know